Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to do another unboxing. This time it's a coffee machine. So do you like coffee? Oh, like me, I'm a coffee lover. So let's open. As you can see, this is Dolce Gusto NESCAFÉ coffee machine. So you can use at least 15 bars for maximum. It can be hot or cold, so you can drink coffee in summer cold and in winter hot. And then, so 1 minute, it's eco mode. And you can see these kinds of coffee. You can drink cappuccino, coffee latte, and lungo or americano, and espresso as well. But I bought cappuccino. Tomorrow I'll buy cafe latte and other coffee flavors. Nowadays it is difficult to go to coffee shops, especially the coronavirus here in Korea, and Omicron virus is widely spreading. So I prefer to relax at home and do my home coffee. That's why I bought this one. I love to drink coffee while doing my blog and vlog at the same time. So I'm opening it now. So as always, there's a 10,000 welcome coupon. And here is, I think, the, what is it, the patch. Here it is, home coffee machine. Okay, here is the plug. Oh, so short. I need extension for this. And here you can put the water here behind, and then this is the cover. So I'll rinse this first before I use later. And this one, the switch. So this one for cold and for hot water. And then here we just put the mug or tumbler and put it like this. Okay, later let's try and I will drink coffee. Okay, now let's try it. So first I'm going to plug. Okay, it was plugged already. Then I'm going to put water here. And then I will turn this one. I will open it. And you see this. And I want to drink hot water. So later I will pull it on the right. So first let's open this one. See, I will put it here. I will remove this one first, and I will put it here. And I need a mug. 30 days. Green light.
her residence, that's 6 months, a year. Easy. What was your reason? 180.
So do you want to try this coffee machine as well? So please click the notification bell button if you want to receive some notifications if I upload my videos. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong!